and I'm back for another video again, and today guys I am here with a dilemma. Yes, because if you have seen my Ilocos haul video, you've seen there that I've got a naked Urban Decay naked 3 palette, and I said there that I'm going to do a review about that product, but now I've said it in time has passed and I haven't uploaded the video yet, but I've already filmed the video and it's already on my laptop for edit, but now I'm having difficulties in making decisions if I will upload that video, because you know guys, that is not an authentic naked 3. But yeah, I don't know if you guys want to see a review about that product. If you guys are interested in watching a video like that, so let me know in the comments down below if you want me still to upload that video, because I'm really having doubts if you want to see that review. Although yes, I've already filmed that and already editing. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below guys if you want to see that one, and just follow me in my Instagram for more updates about my life. So I'll see you guys in my next video.